Your bank may be holding your August Social Security check. The Social Security Administration has issued guidance for seniors and beneficiaries whose August payments might be delayed or held up by their banks. If you haven't received your Social Security check yet, it could be due to your bank's processing, and there are steps you can take right now to resolve the issue and get your funds released. In this video, we'll explain why banks might hold your payment, what the SSA recommends you do, and how to check on your payment status so you don't miss out. Before we jump into the details, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss important updates that could affect your Social Security income. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if my bank is affected by this issue? Well, the SSA has released specific guidelines to help beneficiaries identify if their financial institution is one of those experiencing delays. The key indicator is if your payment date has passed, but the funds haven't appeared in your account within 3 business days. This is unusual because typically, Social Security payments are deposited like clockwork on their scheduled dates. Here's something crucial that many people don't realize: your bank may be holding your check due to verification procedures that have been recently enhanced. These procedures are actually meant to protect you from fraud, but in some cases, they're causing unexpected delays. The Social Security Administration has been working closely with financial institutions to address this issue, but they need you to take certain steps to expedite the process. Let's talk about what the SSA specifically wants you to do if you're affected. First and foremost, they're emphasizing the importance of not waiting too long before taking action. If your payment is delayed by more than 3 business days, they want you to contact your bank first. Why? Because in many cases, the payment has actually been received by the bank but is being held in a processing queue due to these enhanced security measures. You might be thinking, but what if my bank says they haven't received the payment? This is where it gets interesting. The SSA has set up a special protocol for these situations. They want you to contact their representatives directly through their national toll-free number. But here's the catch: before you make that call, make sure you have specific information ready. This includes your Social Security number, your bank account information, and the date your payment was supposed to be deposited. Have you noticed any communication from your bank about enhanced security measures? This is actually relevant because some banks have been sending out notices about updated verification procedures, but many people overlook these communications. The SSA is now recommending that beneficiaries pay close attention to any correspondence from their financial institutions, especially those relating to government benefit payments. What's particularly interesting about this situation is how it's affecting different types of Social Security benefits differently. Whether you receive retirement benefits, disability benefits, or SSI, the impact and resolution process might vary. The SSA has noted that certain types of benefits might require additional verification steps, which could further extend the holding period. Let's address another common question: will this affect my future payments? According to the SSA, this is a temporary situation that shouldn't impact your regular payment schedule going forward. However, they're recommending that beneficiaries take specific precautionary measures to prevent similar delays in the future. This includes regularly updating your contact information and banking details through your My Social Security account. Speaking of your My Social Security account, when was the last time you logged in and verified your information? This platform has become increasingly important as the SSA moves towards more digital solutions. They're actually encouraging all beneficiaries to create and regularly use their online accounts, as this can help prevent payment delays and provide faster resolution when issues do occur. Here's something that might surprise you: the SSA has implemented a new alert system that can notify you about potential payment issues before they affect your account. However, to take advantage of this system, you need to make sure your communication preferences are properly set up in your online account. Have you checked yours recently? The timing of this issue is particularly concerning for many beneficiaries. August is often a month with higher expenses, especially for families preparing for back-to-school needs or managing increased cooling costs. The SSA understands this and has provided guidance on what to do if the delay is causing financial hardship. They've established specific protocols for emergency payment requests in cases where the delay is causing severe financial difficulty. Let's talk about prevention, because while knowing how to handle this current situation is important, preventing future delays is equally crucial. The SSA has outlined several steps that beneficiaries can take to minimize the risk of payment holds. This includes regularly reviewing your banking information, keeping your contact details updated, and maintaining active communication with both your bank and the SSA. Have you considered setting up automatic alerts with your bank for incoming deposits? This is one of the recommendations from the SSA to help you stay on top of your payments. Many banks offer this service free of charge, and it can provide an extra layer of security and awareness regarding your Social Security payments. The SSA is also emphasizing the importance of keeping detailed records during this time. If your payment is delayed, they recommend documenting all communication with your bank and the SSA, including dates, times, and names of representatives you speak with. This information can be crucial if you need to escalate the issue or request expedited processing. What about those who receive their payments through direct express cards? The situation might be slightly different for you, but the SSA has provided specific guidance for direct express cardholders as well. The verification process and resolution steps might vary, but the fundamental principle remains the same. Prompt action is essential if you notice a delay. It's worth noting that some beneficiaries have reported success in resolving these delays by working directly with their bank's government benefits department. Many larger banks have specialized teams dedicated to handling government payments, and they might be able to expedite the verification process once they're aware of the situation. The SSA wants to remind beneficiaries that while this situation is frustrating, it's temporary and resolvable. They've enhanced their customer service capacity to handle increased inquiries and are working extended hours to help resolve these issues as quickly as possible. Have you tried reaching out to them during their extended service hours? Looking ahead, the SSA is implementing new measures to prevent similar situations in the future. They're working on updating their payment systems and improving communication channels between financial institutions and their offices. This includes new automated verification processes that should help reduce the likelihood of payment holds while maintaining necessary security measures. Remember, your Social Security benefits are a guaranteed right. Delays in payment processing don't affect your entitlement to these benefits. The SSA is committed to ensuring that all beneficiaries receive their payments, even if there are temporary processing delays. They've emphasized that no one will lose their benefits due to these technical issues. As we wrap up this important update, let me remind you of the key actions you should take if you're experiencing a delay. Contact your bank first, have your documentation ready, and don't hesitate to reach out to the SSA if needed. Your proactive approach can make a significant difference in resolving these payment holds quickly. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay informed about important Social Security updates like this one. Have you experienced delays with your August payment? Share your experience in the comments below. Your insight could help other beneficiaries in similar situations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.